Hi, I'm Richie Falconi.
And I'm Giovanni Falconi.
We run Falco Marble and Granite in Freehold, New Jersey. Welcome to our shop. We're a family that, this is what we do. We can't live without it. We really can't. I go on vacation for 3 days and right away everybody can't stand me anymore. All I want to do is come back here. This is my vacation. We've been in the business forever. We come from generations of doing this.
It started out as sort of like a summer thing. I was 13 years old at the time, so I don't really know what I wanted to do.
There goes the labor law. Okay.
I realized that it's something that is a part of our lineage and our life, and we like to bring stuff into people's homes that they love.
We not only have the need of personal skills, but also the right equipment. I come from the time where everything was done by hand. The biggest piece of technology you could have there was, the moving router. I saw this digital age coming, and I just knew that maybe my son wanted to be in this. This is the first thing that you get to see when you come into the shop, which is the PathFinder. Like the broth in every recipe, you need it first. This is the one that makes the customer happy. This is the one that puts the customer at peace. Before, I would lay out a 4 or 5 slab job and I would waste literally 3 to maybe 4 hours if everything went well. Not anymore.
Now we're gonna move on to the Fab Center. This thing is like the master. This thing is awesome.
The reason that I got this machine is because I was really in need of a router. Okay, once you start acquiring more work and you need to pump it out quicker, you need something reliable that is not only going to show up every day, lives here. My first CNC, 2 weeks before Christmas, the motor blew up on it. I had to go have a fix and I had to deliver 10 countertops. And somehow we got it done, which in a way, I'm really happy that I went through that, because those are the moments that they push you to make the big decision. What else can I say about this machine? The precision is just a marvelous thing. The FASTBACK, are you kidding me? That thing should be illegal. It prints money. I could keep up with it for the first piece or two, but then my energy starts going down. This thing just keeps going. The HydroClear, this right here, it's like when you go to the doctor and take your blood pressure. This is the blood that runs through the whole shop.
We have so much pressure coming out of this thing. It's just like, it's insane.
Equipment in general, they are your greatest salespeople, because it's impressive. When people come here and they hear the machines and they look, what is that? Let me go take a look. Wow, you know what I mean? And the machine is doing the sales. There is a mental message that goes into their heads and they say, my money is at least more secure here. They know that you're not playing games. It's like a casino. Not that I go there, but you get your chips, you win, and then you just push them all back in. And you say, let's do it again. Because you just see the potential. I don't look at anybody that deals with me, including Park, as a manufacturer distributor. I look at them as partners. You have a little something that breaks or malfunctions and you call before 2 o'clock today, tomorrow morning by 9 o'clock, the part is here. I don't care what anybody says. This is a part shop. I'm not buying anything else.